Hello, my name is Michael Full. I'm the director of PT Cambar Digital. We are operating 3dScan.id, which is a professional capture service for spaces and digital twins in Bali. And we're operating rumor3d.com, which is a listing platform for properties. And we're focusing on 3D digital twins there as well. So with 3dScan.id, we provide true trust, a true sense of space and a true edge to our client. Our products are just nominated within the Global Digital Twin Awards, and we've been proud to have been nominated in 2 out of 5 categories. As we are a quite young company, we are very proud about that achievement, and it speaks for our quality and the knowledge we can bring within the digital twin space. Our focus is not only on producing digital twins, but as well on building solutions on top of them, like indoor navigation, AR and VR services, V-commerce services, booking experiences, and many more. Problems we are solving depending on the industry we are targeting. 3dScan.id and their digital twin services are focusing on 5 industries mainly, which is real estate, travel and hospitality, architecture, engineering and construction, AEC, the retail market and manufacturing. So if we're speaking about real estate, for example, we are saving a lot of time, because if you have a digital twin of a villa or a property, you can watch it and experience it from overseas without the need of a physical site visit. If you're talking about hotels, we're speaking more about the pre-booking experiences we can give to clients. With the retail stores, we're implementing V-commerce experiences where you can walk through a store, you can click on products, you've got a direct checkout flow within there. For the architecture and development, we are exporting the laser point cloud we're producing during the process of the digital twin creation, and then that data is taken from the developers and they can kickstart products, they can kickstart their 3D models, do measurements, digital measurements, which is quite important because usually measurements are done off manually, and if it's done manually there's a room for mistakes. So our solution with scanning properties in there is providing the architects 3D models they can work with. We can generate 2D schematic floor plans out of that. And last but not least, we're talking about the manufacturers. Imagine you're a food processing plant. We will do a digital twin of your whole factory, and then we will implement augmented reality, VR reality, maintenance services, indoor navigation, remote assistance, knowledge transfer. It's great for training. So there are a lot of solutions we can build on top of digital twins. I briefly want to show you 2 examples, and for those examples I'm picking the real estate and the retail niche. Within here you see a shop which is the Ticket to the Moon store here in Bali. It's a flagship store and they are selling products like backpacks or hammocks. So now you can walk through that store and click on the products to find further informations about that. So if you click on the product, you'll see, this is the sling bag, you've got the euro price, you've got further pictures of there. You can implement even videos, unpacking, testimonials, and it makes a new shopping experience which is accessible for everyone who's not in Bali as well and who's not able to visit physically the Ticket to the Moon online store. As another example, I want to show you something which is a new platform that we developed within the last half year, and we just launched it recently. The platform is called Rumor3D. And in Rumor3D, we focus on property listings that implement 3D virtual tours. As you can see, it's the structure of a usual property listing, but you will have the virtual twin directly at the beginning, that you can get a really good impression of the property itself. and walk around, have a look at the 3D tour here, at the 3D model of the property. It saves you a lot of time to look at that because you can identify if that property suits you or not. The beautiful thing in here is that we have an all-in-one marketing solution with our system. We're coming once to the property, we scan it, we produce a 3D virtual twin, we produce pictures, we produce 2D schematic floor plan, and we produce videos of that as well. So within one scan, you'll have a whole marketing suite that you can use. Beautiful as well is that Ruma 3D is designed for buyers and agents. So agents can come in and sign up on that platform. All leads that are coming towards here are being sent to the agent directly. And the agencies do not have to pay upfront for that marketing service. Once they sell the property, we'll get our share out of that. So those are two examples for the real estate and for the e-commerce sector. Let me relate to the e-commerce store I just shown you. So the problem we are solving there is actually everyone knows shopping is a certain experience, and we've been shopping on a list-based, especially online shopping, on a list-based shopping experience, which isn't very good. So if we are digitalizing flagship stores and enable people to walk through them, click at product, get product details, see videos and pictures about it, and share that with the friends with the convenience of sitting at the couch at home, it's a great solution for you to go shopping. Talking about the real estate, mostly we're solving the problem of we're saving you a lot of time. If you want to buy a property in Bali and you're located overseas, you need to come here, you need to visit the villas, it will take a lot of time to do that. With Ruma 3D, now you've got the convenience to do that from any place in the world with the convenience of sitting on a sofa. An agent can guide you through that as well because we have a virtual meeting features within those digital twins, and the agent can explain everything to you. So you're identifying very, very fast if that property fits to you or not. That's a good win for you as a buyer because you're saving a lot of time looking at properties you're actually not interested in. From the agent perspective, it saves them a lot of time as well because you identified the product and the project that you want to buy very, very early and with minimum time spent. Yes, sure, I can tell you a little bit about the problems of our product. The biggest problem of our product is that we rely on internet connections. Our digital twins are hosted on a cloud service, and that means to access them, you need to have a solid internet connection, 4G preferred. Everything below that, the experience would be laggy and it would take a while to upload that models. In my opinion, this is the biggest problem we have with our technology now. Yes, but for example, if we are recording this in Bali on the Bukit, you're driving down to the beaches here, we've got high cliffs, and if you're going down to the beaches, the internet connection is not very well. Especially if we're talking about the service providers here from the island, we have spots where we are not able to have LTE or 4G, 5G connections. Yes, I can. So, like I mentioned at the beginning, we've been globally nominated on awards for our outstanding quality. For us, we will take care as a consultancy, as an agency, that we are taking clients from the first touch to the final delivery protocol. That means that we really consult you and we really make sure that we understand your needs and we will give you the right solution on top of that. I believe that's a big differentiation of other agencies and other companies that provide similar products. As well, we are one of the only companies in Indonesia that are able to do indoor and outdoor scanning because we're using the latest generation of devices with strong LiDARs, and we can scan outdoor areas in strong sunlight. We were not able to do that until beginning of 23 when the new generation of devices were released. We're quite proud to say that we are offering the best service and the best quality within that industry at the moment. So the pricing depends on the area we scan. We price by square meter. Yeah. The moment we're coming to clients that have a high level of customization, where we are taking in brand identities, where we're implementing booking solution, where we're implementing AI, AR and VR solutions, we are charging 85,000 per square meters. That resonates to 100 square meters will be 8.5 juta. For the real estate, we are not investing that much time into editing and customizing the models. So we can offer that for a competitive 50,000 per square meters. That resonates then to 100 square meter building, 5 juta. Yes, I can, and I would pick the words true trust, true edge, and true sense of space.
All right.